Hey guys, Backyard Feast here. You're probably wondering what I'm doing, sitting in my bedroom with a humidity dome, bags of rice, and seeds all laid out in front of me. And all the questions you've got about that are going to be answered right now. So up until this point, I've only ever released cooking videos. I started this channel to try and teach everyone how to save money, make some better food, and whatnot. You guys know the deal if you've been watching. But it's time to branch out. Best way to save money on the food that you eat is growing the food that you eat. Now, I'm not going away from cooking, I promise. I'm just expanding out. I've got a video that'll be releasing for tonight after this video releases, or in the morning following. But it's a video about how to start seeds. And it's a lot of stuff that I like to eat. I'm sure you guys like to eat too. And there's going to be a lot more coming. I'm going to focus on indoor growing. And I'm also starting out something that I've never done before. That's where these bags of rice come in. I'm going to grow my own mushrooms and show you guys how easy it actually is to grow them. So I've got a few things on what you guys can expect in the near future for this channel. So like I might have mentioned, I'm going to focus on indoor growing. I'm big on saving space, and like I said earlier, saving money. Out in my living room, I've got some big windows. I get 6 hours of sunlight minimum every day. I'm going to grow in those. And if you guys have the same, go ahead and do the exact same thing I'm doing. But for normal stuff, go follow the channel that's going to be linked above. But that'll be my dad's YouTube account. He does everything when it comes to growing outdoors. He's where I've learned almost everything that I know about growing from. And he'll help you guys a ton too. So with my channel, like I said, I'm going to specialize on indoor growing. And I'll be using his garden. He lives right next door to me, like right behind your guys' camera is his house. So I'll be getting stuff out of his garden. I'll be getting stuff out of my window garden. All that's just going to come hand in hand to aid you guys. I'll teach you guys how to grow everything that we're growing. Like I've said, I'm sure I'm repeating myself. And how to cook with that stuff. I'll teach you guys, like I said, how to start seeds. That's all right here. Again, that video is going to be releasing not long after this one. So stay tuned for that. And when it comes time, I'll teach you guys how to maintain your plants, keep them nice and healthy, keep them growing, teach you about fertilizers, all that good stuff. I'll also show you guys how to harvest, because it's a little bit nerve-wracking if you've never done it before. Especially when it comes to lettuce, you don't know what parts to cut, how to cut it, whatever. That's okay. As I said earlier, stay tuned. I've got some good stuff on the way. Don't worry, again, I'm not going away from cooking. You'll be seeing that stuff soon. But for now, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're not already. I know you can stay tuned to learn how to grow all this good stuff and how to cook with it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.